Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Scalenut. Now Scalenut is an AI tool that is primarily used for blog posts. People use it to find their keywords, write the full blog post, create outlines, and also detect the amount of traffic coming to their site. It's a good tool, it's like pretty much an all-in-one AI tool. And I don't want to waste you guys' time with all this I just want to get right into it. So let's just get right to the dashboard. I have a link to it in the description below. So if you access that, you get a free trial. Now, let's get ready. So on the left hand side, you see right here, they have article writer. And right now it's on cruise mode. If you just click on it, you can come here and add a keyword. So I'm just going to come in here and add in yoga and then yoga mat. And you can also add a secondary keyword like yoga mat. Let's see, yoga mat strap. And that's a secondary keyword. And then coming here, you can choose the location. So it tells you country, United States is the population estimate, on the internet and stuff like that. So let's just keep United States because I'm in the United States. And then I'm just going to click on create. As you can see right here, it's showing you what it's doing at the time, fetching questions, extracting citations, extracting related key terms, which is very important for SEO, and it's packaging the data. So right now it says it's done. So ready for writing. So let's just click on it. So it's showing you right here, article type, listicle, which is highly recommended. I mean, if you're gonna create a blog post these days, just go with a list because that's what people go through. Top seven this, top nine this. If you even if you have a how to, the how to should go list step by step. So reference articles. So it gives to YOLOHayoga.com and Target.com, very popular. Key terms list, manage key terms. So you can see the key terms list: yoga mat, hot yoga, Black Friday, because I'm creating this video around Black Friday, yoga practice, harsh chemicals, sustainable materials, water bottles, new arrivals, organic cotton, things like that. You also see things like sustainability, lightweight foam, PVC. You can always update this so you can take out the one you want and then also add key terms. Anti-AI detection. So you can have it disabled or enabled. So if you hover over this, so it says enabling anti-AI detection reduces the likelihood of content being detected as AI, but it may result in less formal language. So let's disable this for now. You can always go ahead and enable it just to see. I'm just going to show you guys stuff. So say write a small description of your blog topic. So you can come here just to make it much more specific. Info on yoga mats. Okay, tone of voice, serve bass. So if you hover over this, choose the desired type of voice for it. So default serve bass. I'm just gonna keep it there. So you can generate AI images if you want. So I'll say no image is required. I don't really need one, but they can always add an AI image for you. Or should I go for it? Let me just go for only featured image. That's okay. And then I'm just gonna click on create title. So it's gonna generate a title for me. Okay, so we have a bunch top 10 yoga mats for your Zen practice. Pretty cool. Eco-friendly yoga mats. Yoga mats demystified. Explore the latest trends in yoga mats for 2024. Master your practice. Find your balance. Enhance your practice. So let's just go with eco-friendly. So we have that one. Let's see top ranked titles. Sorry, something went wrong. So okay, this is getting like trending ones. So let's just go with this one. Eco-friendly yoga mat, sustainable options for you. And then click on create outline. So you're gonna come in here and you're gonna create an outline. So let's see it. So key highlights, that's H2, introduction H2, top sustainable yoga mats for eco-conscious yogis, natural rubber yoga mats, cork yoga mats. I like it straight to the point. You can always add yours, obviously. Also have AI suggestions. What materials are eco yoga mats made of? So these are FAQs. And how do I care for an eco-friendly yoga mat? As you can see, it's highly targeted, it's targeting the keyword like crazy. So let's just keep going. So conclusion CTA. So you can have a CTA where you can have share on social media, comment below, redirect to another blog, get a free trial stuff. So let's just go no CTA and let's just click on generate content. So let's just chill for 3 to 4 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, it seems it's ready. So it says eco-friendly yoga mat, sustainable options for you. This is the featured image right here. Pretty cool. You can also see the description of the image, collection of eco-friendly yoga mats. Pretty nice. So you can see discover key highlights, discover eco-friendly yoga mat options. So it just gives you the highlights of the blog post for whoever is reading. Introduction. Enhance your yoga practice, yada yada. Top sustainable yoga mats for econ-conscious yogis, and you can always like rephrase this: natural yoga, rubber mats. Conclusion: what materials are made of. Obviously, it shows like obviously it's like a short word count. So word count for this is 597, which is pretty cool. You can always add to it. So let's say I want to rephrase this. So if I just click on this down arrow right here, you can expand on it, shorten it, or whatever. Let me go over to this one, for example, and let's just say I want to expand this one. So natural yoga rubber mat. So just click on expand. So as you can see, expanded it. Pretty cool. Now let's just go over to export to editor. So you have it right here. This way you can come in here and edit this. And you can also see the SEO score 74 out of 100. Typically it's seven. You always want to input 70 out of 100. So 74 out of 100. Pretty cool. Let's see. Current outbound link is 0. Obviously it's trying to make this like a WordPress blog for you. So as you edit this, you can then take it over to WordPress. You can also do your internal linking outside. They also have an internal linking in here, but I'm gonna show you guys that pretty soon. I'm not gonna go too in depth with the internal linking for Scalenut, but just show you guys that they actually have it. So you can also see detect and humanize. And with that one, I'll have to sign up an account for this. I'm not gonna go too much into it because it's an add-on. You can always try it out for yourself. But you guys have seen the article writer that I just showed you guys. If you also see content optimizer, let me just show you this one right here. Let me put in my own let me put in a blog post that I have real quick to just show you guys the content optimizer. All right, so I'm gonna copy this one and put it in here, and then just click on optimize. So let me just say Jasper AI. That's the keyword, and then just optimize. All right, so let's take a look at it. So obviously this is what my blog post looks like. And so right here is going to give you a chance to go ahead and optimize this. So let's see. Let's see if it changes anything. I pretty much just copied my entire blog post and brought it in here. Let's see, gaps and gains. Okay. So once you click on gaps and gains, it's going to take a little bit of time for it to see what is wrong with your article so it can optimize it for you. All right. So it's showing certain problems that as you can see, so saying things like gaps, detailed features, overview of Jasper AI. So, part of your keyword. That was not the main keyword I was targeting for this, but I just put it in there. How Jasper AI works and its applications, implication, impact of AI on content creation and marketing strategies, customer and team management with Jasper AI, the founding story and vision of Jasper AI. So let's just say I add this right here, detailed features overview of Jasper AI. If I just click on add, okay, let me see, more info. So it looks at the SERP and then sees what you can add in there. And then you can always come in here and go in here and write what you want. So the more you add, obviously, the better and stuff. So you can cover up all the gaps. So it has gaps and gains. Gains are the ones that you put in there, and then gaps are the ones that you're missing. So it helps optimize your content in that way. They also have a keyword planner. So let's just say I enter in something like yoga mat. Or let's just say I enter in something like, okay, let's say I enter in something like AI, rather. AI tools, because that's what I mainly cover. And then I put in my domain. Let me add a competitor, futurepedia.com. Okay. And then you can click on plan. So let's just click on plan. All right. So it's done. So let's just click on it right here. And you can see AI tools for education. You can create an article from it. AI tools for business, AI tools for small business. It gives over 92 different clusters, 635 high impact keywords. So if I click on 635, you can see it right here. You can create SEO article, AI based tools, AI tool playgrounds, AWS AI tools. So it's a pretty great tool to have. I'm not gonna lie, Scalenut, like they overdid like their work compared to a lot of all these other AI tools out here that are just word based, very similar with things you can just get with ChatGPT. Like these guys went crazy with this new tool, so you pretty much have an all in one. They also have a traffic analyzer. With this one, you have to sync your website to it, so it's gonna analyze your traffic and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys some of their add-ons. They have a link manager. So this is where you can come in here for internal linking. It's not for backlinks necessarily, but for internal linking. So to help you scan your website for internal linking opportunities, just like a lot of all these internal link tools do for you. As you can see, it's $7.06 per month because they have a 60% off launch offer. As I said, link in description below. They have a detect and humanize. So they have a $0 per month on which you get for free 20 keywords per month, which is pretty good. If you sign up for free. Pretty dope. They also have a $4 per month one, unlimited words per month. They have an on-page pro. This one right here, you link your website pretty much and they tune up your website automatically for you. So they identify SEO issues on your website and they help you fix them. So they give you a bunch of solutions. And then they also have the deployments where they automate large scale deployments for all your issues. And you can also talk with a consultant too, which is pretty cool. And they have a bunch of app integrations. So we Copyscape, SEMrush, WordPress, Shopify. And you can always request a new app. Now, I'm going to show you guys their pricing. Hopefully you guys liked this video so far. So you guys will see Scalenut, they're really about it. So let me just show you guys the pricing real quick. All right, so this is their pricing right here. Right now they're having a Black Friday sale because as I said, I'm creating this video around the Black Friday period. I would like to create my videos way ahead of time. That way I'm able to keep up. Now you see right here, everything you need to create and optimize content for $9 per month. You have a 7-day free trial. You can create ready to rank humanized articles, 5 articles per month, which is okay. 1 article per week is very okay. Optimize and humanize existing articles that you have on your website, up to 5 a month. So key features, AI images, factual content, traffic insights, SERP analysis, chat support, email support, document sharing, and NLP key terms. So it's a pretty good deal. You have pretty this some $9 per month, which is the growth plan. So you have up to 30 articles per month, so an article a day. You can humanize up to 30 pages per month, which is also cool. Analyze web pages, so 500 pages per month, unlimited domains, which is pretty cool. You get the internal linking with this deal, auto optimization, topic gaps, new topic ideas, third party integrations, auto publish. So for those of you who don't want to do like a bunch of large scale publishing, this will be the deal for you. And unlimited tone of voice. And then you have the pro version, which is perfect for the marketing teams, $149 per month, up to 75 articles per month. You optimize and humanize existing articles, 75 pages per month. Build powerful keyword clusters, 75 clusters per month. You analyze web pages, 1,500 pages per month. So for those of you that, you have clients, this is pretty good for you. All growth features plus cannibalization, so keyword cannibalization helps you prevent that, and advanced keyword planner. As you guys can see also the add-ons in here. Add-ons link manager, $19 per month. AI detector and humanizer, $10 per month. And on-page pro, $19 per month. So these are pretty good tools. And you can see right here, plus this is a Black Friday deal. I don't know if it's going to still be available by the time you guys watch this video. So say 9 lucky winners will get free 1-year access to top SaaS tools like Pictree, Wob, Mock Plus, Bullet, Doric, Content Studio, Dato, Rank Math, Social Champ. So yeah, hopefully you guys loved this video. I know I liked it. Shout out to Scalenut. As I said, they really did their best in creating the tool. They really put in a lot of effort. And I'm pretty sure they listen to almost everybody that uses AI tools these days. People just don't just want a tool that just helps them write. They can go to ChatGPT for that. There are many cheaper tools for that. They came in here and pretty much created a whole SEO suite, which is what have been asking for the longest. So shout out to Scalenut. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you need access to the best AI tools, I have them in the link in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you guys like this video. And I'm going to catch you guys next time.